We're all trying to save a little bit of money, and the question today is it worth cutting your own firewood or not? We're going to be getting a rough idea on equipment costs, the time involved, and then we'll see what the break-even point is compared to how much firewood you actually need a year versus when it's just easier to go ahead and purchase it from somebody else. This is going to be a pretty big cut. It's going to be, yeah, 24, 26 inch rounds, pretty good size. So we'll get this cut, and this will be their biggest rounds probably today. Pull this pretty large log as much as I can in a better area to cut. Yeah, it's moving the whole truck. All right, I got another idea. Nothing too crazy, just a couple of light bumps. That's far enough, I can cut it. I've been cutting for about 4 hours, so I'm going to take a lunch break, but I want to bring the trailer back down given how big these rounds are. Wasn't expecting anything that size, and that'll make it a lot easier to load. Well, this is all I'm going to be able to cut today. The Echo chainsaw I have bar nut came off, and when I was trying to fix that, then I lost the screw to tighten the chain, and I can't find it anywhere in this tall grass. So that's going to be it for today, unfortunately. But let's go ahead, get this picked up, take it to the house. We'll split it and see how much we ended up with. Finally done for the day. I got all of that road oak cut. Pretty good pile right here. This ought to fill up at least one tote, maybe 1.5 if I'm guessing. But we'll get a good idea on how much we produced in one day's work tomorrow. With all the work done, here's the numbers. A third of a cord of firewood in my area goes for $120. In order to cut that up, it took about 6 hours. That's coming out to $18 an hour. Not very good and not a great use of my time. Now, let's add the equipment costs into all that. So chainsaw, roughly $700. We're talking about the log splitter over here. We have fuel involved, safety equipment, other miscellaneous items. It's a little over $2,000 in initial costs and equipment. Now, over a couple of years' time, basically you're looking at $680 a year over 3 years of equipment, and that's 3 cords of firewood. That's just to break even, no money in your pocket. I'm burning a lot less than that, so really there's no financial gain for me here. The only reason I'm doing it is because I have to clear the roads anyway. It's got to be cut up, and I don't have a tractor to push this stuff, so I got to cut it in smaller quantities. The only additional expense was the log splitter, but that really doesn't bother me. I enjoy doing this stuff. I got the woods to do it. It's going to go away anyway, so I might as well get some use out of them. It's pretty simple, and that's what it boils down to. If I were to sell firewood, I really wouldn't be making money. It would just be going to cover equipment costs, but I'm all right with that. Hopefully you found this helpful, and hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Stick around though if you enjoy fishing, because we got a lot of that coming up in the future.